Just do one at a time. They will try and hop away though, so be careful. You want to cover them up. Yeah, like you're going to trap them. Don't let them. See what I mean?
Careful.
Get him. Get him.
Oh, he's
Get
going
him.
under. He's going under.
You got him.
It's okay.
Now just go ahead. You won't hurt him. Put him right in the box and then he can't get away. But he'll jump out of your hands if you're not too careful.
I'm gonna take you somewhere safe. You know that? Where there's no kitties roaming? Well,
Yeah, I know. There's a bunch.
it's okay.
You want to do the other one, Bella?
Sure.
Here.
I just need you to hold my phone. Thanks.
Dad, your videos are so funny.
Yeah, they're not bad.
So is it that they can't fly? Is that why? Because we don't have something to cover the box with.
No, they can't fly.
You sure?
Yeah. Just be careful though, because they can hop and they can flutter on the ground and get away from you if you're not careful. And you won't. You think you're gonna hurt them, but you won't.
Oh, sorry.
Make sure you got it. Make sure you got it. Good job.
Hey, see, you're back together again.
Here, why don't you put the gloves in there?
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl, it's okay. Hey, girlie.
That one next to the other one.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I love them. Let's go.
It's okay, little birdies.